friends. So today we are with a new topic of German. So that is the third topic of the grammar for 12th standard boards. That is the topic Adjektivendungen. Bestimmt Artikel Adjektivendungen. This particular topic comes for generally 4 marks. Yeah. Total 5 questions must be given. From there 4 are compulsory and each carries 1 mark. That is total 4 marks. Yeah. Any 4 you need to attempt. From those 4, generally 2 questions are for sure for the bestimmt article topic. This particular part. I need to tell you first the trick of this particular part. Before starting the video, I will recommend you and advise you to watch the whole video because the tricks are normally in the middle or in the last of this video. So do watch it, starting with the topic now. Now, when the question comes in the exam, for example, this is your paper. Yeah, this is your paper. Try to write the questions above. So, like number 1, this is your question. Number 2, number 3, number 4. Like these questions you all have done. Now, below that, there will be too much of place will be there. There, you can draw this rough work. Surely draw it because we are not native speakers. So, we need some help while writing the answers. And answers are of just few alphabets. So, we don't want to miss that marks. Yeah. So, this particular chart, write always after you have written those 3 to 4 questions on that particular page only. Now, starting with the question. Your questions will be like this. Yeah, these are your questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This I have given you some of the examples of these questions. After reading this question, you will draw this chart below. Yeah. Now, while drawing it, how we are going to draw it? Nominative column, accusative column and dative column. Now, after drawing these columns, then the rows masculine, feminine, neutral, plural. You all already know to write there, thee, thus, thee. These articles you all know it because you are in 12th standard, you know this basic one. There, thee, thus, thee. Same articles you are supposed to write. After writing it, leave some space, draw a line and write the accusative article. D and then the article remains same. Thee, thus, thee. You all know it. Only the masculine article changes in accusative. In dative, the article is dem, them, then der, there, and them, and den, then, plus noun you are supposed to add n at the end. Noun, add n at the end. So, this particular type you need to learn. Yeah, them, there, them, then. This you need to learn intentionally. Other these 2 columns you all already know. There, thee, thus, thee. Then, thee, thus, thee. Same. Only this is different from there. And here, them, there, them, then. Only 4 words are there. You all can surely learn it. Yeah. After writing this article, you all have leave some space over there. Yeah. So, over there, write any particular adjective whichever you like. Okay. Just for knowing the particular chart. Now, I have written the word exactly which is very easy. Good. That is good. Good, 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 good. I have written it. Then, in front of them, I have written the nouns. Whichever nouns you know. Okay, this particular noun is masculine. You know it, write it. Yeah. So, once only write it. Same word, write it for the whole chart. Hair. So, for whole masculine line, I have written hair, hair, hair. Yeah. For F, you can write Frau. For feminine. For neutral, you can write neutral, book. And for plural, Bücher I have written. So, this is your chart. There, thee, thus, thee. Good, 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 good you have written with the red color pen. Don't write the endings at the beginning. Good, write good, good, good. And then these words you write. With a pencil in the exam, you can write the endings later on. Yeah. So, for example, for some time being, I am going to erase these endings for your convenience. Yeah. So that you will be able to understand it more clearly. Now, I have erased it completely because I need to tell you some tricks related to it. Yeah. Now, as you have written all this particular chart, there, thee, thus, thee, then, thee, thus, thee, them, there, them, then, you have written adjectives in between, same adjectives, and then you have written the nouns, same nouns according to their genders. Masculine, 1 noun, feminine, 1 noun, neutral, 1 noun, plural, 1 noun. Yeah. Now we will learn the endings. There is a trick. Can you see this L shape outside L? Yeah. So this is L shape. Okay. So this is your L shape. In this L shape, I will write over there EN everywhere. EN, EN, EN. Written L shape EN. Now, only one normal thing you need to intentionally learn. This accusative here. Only here you are supposed to write EN as well. This L shape EN and here EN. Yeah. And then whatever is remaining, write over there alphabet E. E for elephant. Yeah. E, 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 E. Your adjective ending chart is ready. Now with this chart, apply it in your answers. Now how to apply it and how to recognize the question. The question you will understand if the question is in this sequence which I have mentioned here. In the sequence, the first should be your article, then should be any adjective and then should be a noun. So for example here, can you see there the, thus the or from this particular articles, can you see any article over there? Yeah. You can see the word then. That is an article. That is a best named article. Starts with the word the. And then can you see one adjective and then a blank. Even if you don't know the meaning of an adjective, it's okay. They have told you to write the endings of the adjective. So wherever there will be a blank after some word, that word is an adjective because they have told you to put the adjective endings. Logic. So this is an article. This is an adjective. Like I told you, the sequence should be same. Then only you can apply this rule. If there is something difference in the sequence or some absence of some any particular word, then you cannot use this chart. So all the words should be there. So article is there, adjective is there, and noun is also there. How will you come to know whether it is noun or not? The word will be, alphabet will be big. Correct? The first letter will be capital. So there is a noun, article, adjective and noun. Now, you know that I need to apply this particular chart. You have already drawn this chart down in your answer paper. Now, we are going to apply it. Now, tell me, where is the word then in this total chart? Yeah? So, you can find then over here and where? Over here. So, only two options you have. Yeah? And can you see what are the endings over there? Endings is en and ending is en. So why to think so much? Not to think whether it is nominative, whether it is accusative, whether it is dative. No worries. Because even if it is accusative or even if it is dative, even it is masculine, feminine, neutral, plural, the word is going to end with en. So why not to write en directly? So I am going to write en directly. Not to worry about anything then. So if you have two options, and both the options are ending with the word en or any particular alphabet, just write it as it is without thinking. Yeah. Second question. Now, second question is Eva is die schöne Frau. Sequence should be there. Article is there. Adjective is there. Noun is there. So now, this particular chart is applied. So, where is the word in this particular chart? Here is the. Here is the. Here is the and here is the. So you have two parts. One part is ending with EE. The other part is ending with EN. And otherwise there is no the over anywhere. Yeah. So either your answer will be ending with E or either your answer will be ending with EN. So even if it is nominative or accusative, it is feminine, it is ending with E. So no need to see whether it is nominative or accusative. You need to just see whether it is feminine or plural. Yeah. So now you tell me, Frau is feminine or plural? Everybody knows it. Frau is a lady. It is a singular feminine. So only your answer will be from here, right? This cannot be because it is a plural chart. Yeah. So either this or this. Yeah. But even if you write any E, the answer will be same, right? So no need of knowing it nominative or accusative. So I will write the answer E. This particular trick will just help you if you don't know nominative and accusative. If you know singular and plural, that is very much okay for that particular using this particular trick. Yeah. Now the next third one. Der sympathische Chef. Now you tell me there is where. So there is over here there, yeah, and there is over here. So you have two options. One is ending with en, one is ending with e. Now you tell me. Now here it is there, here it is there, here e and en. So two options you have. One is in the masculine row, other is in the feminine row. You tell me chef means a boss. Because you know the vocabulary, you can do it for sure. So chef is a boss. Boss is masculine. So of course it is ending from this row, not this row, because this row is a feminine row. So you cannot write en over there. So you will write the answer e. Yeah. Then last, ich gebe der schönen Frau das große Auto. You try it first. Yeah. Now I will try. So the sentence is ich gebe there. There is there, article is there, adjective is there, noun is there. Apply this rule. So there you can see where this masculine and here feminine. So now you tell me Frau is what? Feminine. So write en instead of writing e. If it was masculine, I would have written that particular word. Then last, das große Auto. Das is where in this particular chart. Over here and over here. Both the words are ending with e. Not to do anything. Don't worry so much. Just write e at the end. Yeah? And then fifth one, das book is good. Now you tell me, can you see any article over here before the adjective? The sequence should be same. If in the sentence article is there but not in the sequence, still you are not using this chart. The sequence should be there. Can you see article before adjective? No. Can you see a noun after adjective? No. Don't use any chart. Just put a cross over there. That is just to confuse you students. Yeah. So this type of question also arises, but don't leave it blank or else teacher will think that you have not attempted it and they will give you 0 over there. So best just put their cross or a dash. This were the tricks. Try to see my video n number of times to know the detail, the tricks properly. Yeah. So now I am ending this video. Stay tuned with us, subscribe us, like us and do comment us. If you want more exercises, let me know in the comment section so that I can create more videos for the same. Yeah. Thank you.